Alright, welcome to the first official monthly dividend portfolio update for M1 Finance. If you guys didn't catch the teaser video, basically I'm going to be uploading this video every Saturday, updating you on this portfolio. Now this portfolio is going to be only monthly dividend paying companies. My initial investment was $100. The market unfortunately has been selling off since I did that, so we're already down almost $4, but that's okay. Can't time the market anyways. Now full disclosure, I've had M1 Finance before, so these earned dividends, market gain is all going to be off, but like I do in the Robinhood portfolio update, I will be showing you guys the actual paid dividends as this progresses. So a lot of these companies are from the Robinhood portfolio, but some new ones we got here, the Vanguard funds. Both of these are bonds that will help with the diversification, which I think will be the biggest issue with this portfolio. We added Gladstone, which is another financial company, and then telecommunications through Shaw. So like I said, diversification is probably going to be the most difficult aspect of this portfolio, but it'll be a nice fun challenge for me to keep this baby, I guess, safe in a sense. So yeah, let's go over to SimpliSafe here. So as you can see, the real estate and financial sector is already too heavy, so we got to work on that. Unfortunately, SimpliSafe doesn't rate ETFs and funds, so there's no safety score for those there, but pretty much everybody would agree that bond funds are safer, so that is why the dividend yields are lower. So just getting that out of the way. Now the annual income is already $6. And the dividend yield is 6.16%. I will be expecting this to drop. A lot of these companies are still recovering from the crash, so just so you know, expect that to go down. That is pretty high. I mean, even a 5% average yield is really high for a portfolio, so we'll see how that pans out. But since Gladstone is new here, I'm just going to show you. Borderline company, pretty much anything over 40 is probably okay to invest in. Obviously that's my opinion, but their yield is pretty high. I think they're still recovering, like I said. And then Shaw here, 39. I mean, it's almost 40. Considered an unsafe company, but their yield's 5%, and they do pay monthly. So pretty much any company that pays monthly, I'm gonna put some money into. If they're just sketchier companies that I don't like as much, I'll just put less into them. But as long as they are paying their dividend, we're going to put some money into them. The whole point of this portfolio is just to collect those monthly dividends. And then if they obviously suspend it, we will get rid of the stock. So these are the price points I got in at. If you guys want to see it, you can just pause the video here, or I'll also link this in the description. Basically, it'll just be a link to M1 Finance, and you'll be able to go through pretty much everything you see here. I wouldn't focus too much on the allocation and targets. This is the first week of it, so I'm going to be tweaking it a lot. I've already made some changes, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much the portfolio in a nutshell though. Starting next week, I'm going to decide either $25 or $50 a week for this baby. It's not going to be a lot of money. It's just kind of a side project for me. So yeah, I'll have that figured out by next week, but auto invest will be on, and everything will just keep getting automatically invested, and then I'll just do the tweaking here and there. So we'll pretty much just be doing short videos checking in on it. Obviously M1 Finance does the purchasing. So that wraps up this video. Any questions, I guess, let me know. Like I said, this link will be in the description if you really want to look into it yourself. So yeah, let's just leave it at that. If you guys want to see how this does over time, just make sure you're subscribed and like the video to let me know. Thank you, and see you in the next one.